This is code.org. I'm currently working on their CS Fundamentals course. I'm on course D of it. Lesson 4, Debugging with Laurel, Part 4. Alright, be persistent and you will figure this out. Fix the errors to collect all the treasure. So I can hit run to see what's going on here. Okay, so I only got one. I'm going to reset. Step, notice it lets me walk through the code. This is a really handy feature for debugging because I can see it run each line. Okay, so what happened here? I move forward, but then this drops to a 2. So collect meant I got it. Then I move forward and I collect nothing. I'm going to reset this. I bet I don't need to move forward then, because if all of my gems are stacked on top of each other, let's see if I get rid of move forward and just do collect. Let's test this out. Oh, great. This is the code that worked for me. Awesome. Let's keep going.